Hi, Ed Akehurst with another Genius Pages tutorial. This time we're going to look at features. If you go to blocks, one of the things in the list is features. You just click that, and there are many different things you can choose from. Some with background images, some with 2 side by side, some have 3 side by side, some have 4 side by side, some have pictures up above, some have pictures as a background, many different things. Here's one that's basic with just icons. And then you have some that have some side-by-side things where there's a picture and maybe a feature to the left or the right of it. So what you'll do is you'll just pick one. Let's pick one that's fairly straightforward. Actually, let's use this one. I have a reason for doing that one. Let's move that up there. And then these edit. See how they're stacked like that? It's only because it's a small screen. If you get rid of the blocks, there they are side by side. And then you just edit them. You can edit the icon like you normally would. We've done a video on that. You can edit the text there and you can edit the text there and change things around. It's as simple as that. You can also, if you want, edit the entire section, the entire grid, and you can put a little margin on the top, a little margin on the bottom. We're not going to do anything to that at the moment. Let's say, though, that you like this style, the black and white, but you only want 3. You can't get rid of one of the sections inside there, because if you do, what's going to happen is it's going to have a blank spot there like that. See how that is? And it doesn't look good. So the easy way to correct that is to just do an empty block, just like this, put an empty block. And then we have 3 instead of 4, right? So what we do is we go to components. Oops, I was already there. And let's find a grid that has a third, and a third. And you'll see when you get rid of that, they're side by side. And then you just drag the items up. Now, what you're going to want to do here is just get where you've got it all highlighted, and it's only going to move one component at a time. So drag that one up, drag that one up. Remember, you're looking for the blue bars. Drag that one up. You'll see how this is cut off. I'll show you how to fix that. Not a problem. Then you just do the same thing in the middle. Just that one's all the way across the top. Make sure you've got the one that's inside the little area there. And then just drag this one up. Again, make sure you've got the area that's inside. And then once you've done that, we can delete this block because we've kind of cleared it out, right? So just get rid of that. And then you see this block, it's cut off a little bit. It's probably not going to look the best on the website. It just means these are taller than the default pixels for the section. So just go in where the pencil is. I've shown you this on some other videos with some other things. Let's put a little bit of padding at the top, and we'll put a little bit more padding at the bottom. And then you do that. And then when we get rid of this, you'll see that it's much clearer now. And if we save it, we'll go back to our test site here. Let's refresh the page. Oops, it hadn't saved yet. No, it did save. Okay. I just hit it too soon. There they are. Oh, I didn't scroll up. And that's it. So we have a little bit of margin there. We can close that margin. I can add a little less padding on the header here, or we can add a little less padding on the bottom of those. But that is that, and each of the different ones that you have in features are going to give you different options. So some of them, for example, if they have, I'm sorry, they're blocks. If they have pictures and things like that, you'll just edit those pictures exactly like you would. Oops, there we are. Exactly like you would, and another image, anything like that. And they edit all the same. So that's how to do features. And I'll see you on the next video.